At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest,
gagawa tayo today ng corned beef croquettes para sa baon ng mga bata sa school. So first thing that we need to do is boil 1 kilo of potatoes for 25 minutes. So this is really easy to make and sobrang konti lang ng ingredients na kailangan mo. Actually, ito rin yung sahog na gagamitin mo if you're going to cook the corned beef sa normal na paraan. We're starting off with 1 whole egg, diced onion, and of course, minced garlic. So since we have time while waiting for the potatoes to boil, magpa-project muna tayo.
Charot, ang hirap ng buhay ngayon ha. Kailangan maging wais mama tayo. Ayan, so after boiling the potatoes for 25 minutes, tutusukin natin ito ng tinidor. And kapag hindi na lumalaban yung ating potato, hindi na siya kumakapit at kusang bumibitaw, parang siya, charot. Ibig sabihin nun, luto na yung patatas and pwede na natin siyang durugin. Skin on, add diced butter para mabilis matunaw at mabilis din haluin. Season your mashed potatoes with some salt and pepper. Sure na sure ako, magugustuhan to ng mga anak nyo at syempre ng buong pamilya. Now, this is optional. I just feel a little, you know, a little chefy. So, we're adding fresh rosemary. We're mincing this and we're mixing it into our mashed potatoes. Afterwards, we're mixing in the minced garlic, the chopped onions, another whole egg. Mix this all together until lumasa yung patatas. And then, we're going to use Star Nutri-Meats corned beef. Ang Star corned beef ay hindi lang masarap at sulit. Mas nutritious na rin ito dahil meron itong vitamin A, B3, B1, B6 at B12 kaya pwedeng kainin everyday. Pwedeng pang ulam, pang merienda, or pang luto gaya ng ginagawa natin ngayon. So ayan, mag-a-add na tayo ng another egg and about a cup of flour and just mix this thoroughly. Okay, next, make sure your pan is really hot before adding the oil to create a non-stick effect. I'm slowly adding the oil so I can control the temperature of the oil. Actually, this technique quickly heats up the oil so you can save energy. Okay, so now we are going to use 2 spoons to shape up our croquettes. And this is called quenelle. Kung tinatamad ka, edi kamayin mo at bilug-bilugin mo siya. Pero mas magastos kasi yun sa mantika. Okay, once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can now start frying this up. Gently flip it once in a while. And pag golden brown na siya, goods na yan mga kamari-chef. With Star Nutri-Meats corned beef, confident ako na masarap, sulit, at masustansya ang baon ng mga anak ko sa school. And they can share it with their classmates.